Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel controls. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.